Hi there. So I will show you the new natural kit. So you have your fabric here. So when you get the kit, you will put the hook onto the fabric. So you will place it like that. It gets like in the middle. Then you can like screw this a bit. Oh, this is already pretty good. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Then you have your needle and you have these beautiful natural colors. So that's what we're gonna use to stitch this kit. And the idea is like a freestyle kit, so you can use all the colors that you want, or maybe just use a few of the color palette, so you can create your own.